Yo guys, guess what? I'm back, but I'm a little bit different. I've had a little bit of a rearrangement of my DNA and my polygons. And anyways, we got some Supreme here for you guys. I hope you enjoy. Here's just a couple of random pickups. Nothing special, but some things I wanted to show you. Alright? And bam, there we have it. As you guys see, it's just a random mismatch of different things. Let's start off, number one, with the clothing. We got, in the natural colorway, the Nuevo York tee, all natural. Now this one is really pimping. Let me tell you guys, this looks like some Gucci vibes. This one right here, if you slept on it, damn, you done missed out. Because this one to me is straight up fire. I will be wearing this one. This one is for the personal. Moving on. We got this right here. Why did I buy this? The Supreme Ziploc bags. I don't know what the heck I could use this for other than putting on a shelf and being like, whoa, I got Supreme Ziploc bags. I don't know. I got them. They were actually selling, you know, pretty good on the resale. I saw people selling them for like $8 a bag on somebody else's channel. I'm like, $8 a bag? I guess I came with a come up because how many is in here? I think it's like, how many is it in here? 30 times 8. Y'all do the math on that. That's some potential profit. Maybe, maybe not. If you know you're doing some illicit activity with Supreme bags, that's your business. But you could do it in style. All right, moving on. And we got here the David Blaine special. The cards. These go hard. I've always wanted some Supreme cards for sure. Now I could go ahead and open up because these are still packaged, even when I open them up. Here we go. Here we go. Jokers. Look at this Joker right here. All clear. I'm never gonna open these up. These are so clean. These are definitely for the collection. Super fire piece. Alright. And last but not least, we got the sticker pack. Ram sticker pack. They had the verified tee. I skipped on that one, but I got, you know, the sticker. And we got the gloves. So now you can rock these. Be out there walking around, feel safe, put them on. Keep yourself nice and protected with the Supreme gloves. They're pretty dope. I was happy to get them. Shout out to Supreme. Alright, that's about it. Here goes my little swag pack. Thanks for checking out, y'all. No, yeah, one last thing. Y'all let me know in the comments if you're feeling this new digital alter ego I got going on. Kind of cool, right? Peace.